blacklist for life sa mga contractors na involved sa anomalous projects. So, iba-blacklist sila for life. How do you address concerns that some of these contractors will just end up renaming their companies to evade those kinds of ban?
That's a very good question. That's a very good question. We just have to be very vigilant. We have to be very vigilant. Kailangan bantayan natin yan. At kasama na rin yan sa pag-review ng PICAB. Kasi po ang PICAB ang nag-certify, ang nag-accredit, ang nagsasabi ito AA, AAA, A, quadruple A. Pero nakita naman natin, may isang contractor, quadruple A, pero 250,000 lang ang paid up capital. Parang medyo imposible naman po ata yun. So kailangan to lahat ayusin. Lahat to kailangan baguhin. So we have to be vigilant. And we have to ensure that we are able to place long-term structural safety nets para hindi na pwedeng gawin to ulit. Dekada na to. Hindi to taon. Hindi taon ang binibilang dito. Dekada to. Na ganyan. So, ano to? Kailangan talaga sweeping. Sabi nga ni